students, hope you are doing well and fine. So again, come to the introduction section of the next topic, that is divisibility test, common factor, co-prime number, common multiple. And one thing about divisibility test, I will post a separate video for the divisibility test from 2 to 11, the topics which you have to cover in class 6. Okay, so you will get a detailed information about the divisibility test. Right, now come to the next topic, that is common factor. So common factor, I have taken the example of two numbers, that is 4 and 18. So first we'll find out 4 comes in which table, right? So first we have to write 1. 1 is the common factor for everyone. 1 is the factor of all the number. So 1 we will take up, then we will take 2, then we will take 4. So 4 come in the table of 1, 2 and 4. Now come to the next number, that is 18. 18 will come in the table of first 1, right, then 2, then in 3, in 4 it is not coming, in 5 it is also not coming, it will come in the table of 6, we are having 9, and we are having 18, right? So again I am telling you, you have to learn the multiplication table properly, right? If you know the tables properly, you can write the factor easily, right? So here we are going to find out the common factor. Our first topic is common factor. Common means we have to find out which numbers are same here. Okay, so if you see that 1 is same here, right, and this 2 is also same, let's check it out. 4 is there or not? No 4 is there, no 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay, so here the common factor of 4 and 18 is 1 and 2. Okay, so in this way we have to find out the common factor. Hope it is clear to you. So I have taken the example of 4 and 18. First I have written the factors of 4, then I have written the factors of 18. Sometimes the factor goes on, okay, it is not necessary. Sometimes a little bit larger factor will also come. So we have to find out the common in both 4 and 18. So here 1 is common, 2 is common, so I have taken this 1 and 2. So common factor of 4 and 18 is 1 and 2. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is co-prime number. So I have taken the example of 4 and 15. The factors of 4, that is again 1, 2 and 4. 15, factors of 15 is 1. 15 comes in the table of 3, then it comes in the table of 5, then it comes in the table of 15. So co-prime number, if you see, we are having only one common number, that is 1 here. Okay, so co-prime means after finding the factor and you will get a common factor as 1. Okay, in co-prime number you have to find the first, you have to find the factors, the number given, and if you are getting the common factor as 1, then it's a co-prime number. Okay, suppose if you are getting 1 or 2, so they are not co-prime number. Okay, so always remember in co-prime, especially in co-prime, after finding the factor, the common factor should be 1, right? They are called co-prime number. Now come to the next topic, that is common multiple. Common multiple, I have taken the number 4 and 6. So when we are talking about the multiples, yes, the answer of table, not multiplication table, right? If I am writing, I have taken the number 4 here, so I have to write the only answer, only the multiple of 4, not the whole multiplication table here, right? So first I am going to write the multiples of 4 here. So multiples of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, then 4 fours are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, goes on, right? Now I have taken the multiple of 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, goes on. I have not taken the whole multiples. I have taken the half, right? Just for the example, I have taken the half. I have not written the full one. Okay. So common multiple we are talking about here. Also, we have to find out of this multiples. We have to find out which number is common in both the multiples of 4 and 6. So just check it out. 4, 8, 12. This 12, right? So I have just written in the box. So here it is also 12. Then 16, 20, 24 here. Okay. So here is also 24. Right? Same way. 36 is also common. That will come in the table of 4. That's why I told you I have written only half of the number. So when we're talking about the common multiples, we have to, if suppose the question is write the 5 common multiples or 4 common multiples between the numbers, 3 common multiples between the numbers, 6 common multiples between the number. So you have to find out how many till it goes. Suppose it is 4 times are 40. If it is not coming in 40, you have to increase the number. 4 into 11, 4 into 12, 4 into 13, 4 into 15. Suppose the number is 5 multiples, you have to find out. Okay. So in this case, I have written just the half of the number, but in this half of the number, I got the common multiple 12, then I got the common multiple 24, then 4 9s are 36. In this way, we will get a common multiples. Common multiples means you have to just find out which multiples are common in both the numbers, right? So hope it is clear to you. So just go through it. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is prime factorization. Okay, so we are having first two methods are there. First is prime factorization method, and second is tree method. Okay, so first we are going to learn about the tree method. We are talking about tree method. Don't draw any tree there. Okay, so suppose I have taken the number 90. Now we are going to make a tree. Which type of tree? Just look it. Okay, so 90 comes in the table of 10 into 9. 10 into 9 is 90. One more thing we can do, we can split this 10. We can write it as 5 into 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 9 is 90. One more thing we can do, we can split this 9 also. Okay, so here 9, we have written 3 into 3 is 9. This 10 is 5 into 2 is 10. Now in tree method, the factor is like this. 90 is equal to 5 into 2 into 3 into 3. 5 into 2 into 3 into 3. So when you multiply it, 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 5s are 90. So this is all about tree method. So this kind of tree you have to make it. Okay, just go through it. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is prime factorization division method. Okay, so division method, just I have taken the example of the number 180. Okay, so 18, last number is 0. 0 is divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18. Then 0. Again 2. 2 4s are 8, 45, then it is divisible by 3, that is 15, 3, 5. Okay, so in prime factorization division method you have to do like this, and in separate suppose if the tree method is asked, so it will be written, it will be given in the question paper that you have to do it in a tree method, otherwise you have to do it in a division method. If nothing is mentioned about tree method, you have to do it like this, division method. Now the factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. If you see, 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180. You can check it like this. So this is all about division method and prime factorization. Just go through it. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is HCF, highest common factor, then LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay, so this together we are going to find out with the same number, so it will be very clear to you what you have to do it in highest common factor, that is HCF, and what you have to do it in lowest common multiple, that is LCM. So when the question is of HCF, so just you have to find it separately. Okay, this is the difference between highest common factor and lowest common factor. In LCM we have to find it together, and in HCF we have to do it separately. Okay, so just here it is 0, so we will start with the number 2. So always try to start the highest common factor, LCM or prime factorization if it is possible with 2. Then if it is not, then go for 3, then go for 4, then 5, 6, 7. Don't include a big number here, right? Don't write 4 into 7. Okay, that will give you a trouble. So just go with the 2. 2 1s are 0. Again 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are. Right, now come to the next one. 2 1s are, 2 4s are, again 2 7s are, 7 1s are. Why I have written 7 here? Because 7 doesn't comes in any table, only in numbers 7 and the number 1 itself, right? That's why. Same case with the 5 also. 5 comes in the table of only 5. So here the HCF of 20 is 2, 2 and 5, right? And 28 is 2 into 2 into 7. So we have to find out what is common in this 2, 20 and 28. If you see this 2 and if you see this 2, so out of this 2 we have to take only 1. So the pair of this 2 I have taken 1. Out of this 2 I have taken 1. So the highest common factor is 2 into 2, that is 4. Clear? If it is 3 numbers are there, you have to find out of this 3, you have to find out, and suppose one more 2 is here, so we will find out 1 out of this 3 pair, we will find out 1 2, and here also if 2 is here, out of this 3 we have to take 1. Okay, so in this way we have to solve highest common factor. In highest common factor we have to separately find the prime factorization of both the number, but in case of LCM it is not like that. In LCM we have to find by taking together. So here I am writing the HCF is 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay, so just rub here. Now come to the next, that is LCM. So same number I have taken in LCM also, so it will not give you any confusion, because in HCF we have to find it separately, but in LCM we have to find it together. So I am starting with 2, 2 tens are, 2 ones are, okay. Same way 2 fives are 7. Now if you want to divide this 5, that also you can do, or you can write it 5, 7, 2 and 2. In that way also, for your concern, I'm just writing this. Basically it is not necessary because it is basically divisible by 1 only. So now the LCM of 20 and 27 is 20 and 28 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 7, that is 140. Understood? So in LCM what you have to do is, what we are going to take this two number together and solve it, but in HCF, in highest common factor, we just separate it and find it out which number is common, then we have to multiply that number. But in this case, in LCM we have to find together, and in last we have to multiply the whole number. What we get here, 2 into 2, that is 4, 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 7 is 140. The lowest common multiple of 20 and 28 is 140 here, and the highest common factor of 20 and 28 is 4. So this is the difference between highest common factor and the lowest common factor. Okay, just go through it.